Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park. Let's start with AirPods.
At the heart of AirPods is outstanding audio. AirPods Pro 3 deliver a breathtaking spatial listening experience. We designed a custom multi-port acoustic architecture, which precisely controls the airflow that carries sound into the ear. Ultra-low noise microphones and advanced computational audio, combined with new foam-infused ear tips for even greater noise isolation, delivering twice the ANC compared to the previous generation, is 4 times more effective. You will have the world's best active noise cancellation with live translation powered by Apple Intelligence. AirPods Pro will help you understand them in your preferred language. Using a new simple gesture, live translation begins. And it doesn't just translate individual words. The meaning of each phrase is translated for you. Your iPhone displays your words in their language and can even read them out loud if needed. Live translation is even more useful when both people are wearing AirPods Pro.
Eu concordo, sim. Vamos incluir as principais descobertas na apresentação de sexta-feira.
We're also improving how AirPods Pro fit in your ears. We analyze more than 10,000 3D ear scans, along with over 100,000 hours of user research. To fit even more people, we made each AirPod smaller. We shaped the design to match the natural geometry of the ear canal. With entirely new ear tips, now in 5 sizes, all together, these are the most stable and best-fitting AirPods ever. And they're also more durable, with IP57 sweat and water resistance, a first for any AirPods.
We're also really excited to add heart rate sensing during workouts with AirPods Pro 3. To do this, we custom-built Apple's smallest heart rate sensor. Machine learning algorithms fuse together data from the sensors and accelerometers to deliver precise measurements. This is combined with a new on-device AI model for activity and calorie tracking, trained from more than 50 million hours of data from the Apple Heart and Movement Study. Now, when you go to the fitness app on iPhone, you'll see a new workout experience, where with just AirPods Pro, you can track up to 50 different workout types. So, when you're listening to music on your daily walk, you can track heart rate and calories burned using the new AirPods Pro.
You will also get longer battery life throughout the day. We are moving from 6 hours on a single charge to 8 hours. We are thrilled to provide 10 hours on a single charge in transparency. So that's AirPods Pro 3. They will still be available for $249. You can pre-order them today, and they will be available September 19th.
Next, let's turn to Apple Watch.
Today, we're making the best watch in the world even better. Introducing Apple Watch Series 11. It's our thinnest and most comfortable watch, and it's even more durable. It starts with our proprietary ION-X glass, which is the toughest in the industry. We then apply a custom Apple-designed ceramic coating that bonds to the glass at an atomic level, making it significantly harder. So now, it's 2 times more scratch-resistant. Series 11 now includes the latest cellular technology, 5G. Series 11 comes with watchOS 26. The new watch face Flow uses liquid glass numerals to beautifully refract swirls of color. Series 11 also comes with a comprehensive set of health features, including heart, hearing, cycle tracking, mental health, and more.
High blood pressure, also known as hypertension. To help, we've developed a groundbreaking feature that can alert you to possible hypertension just by wearing your Apple Watch. Using data from the optical heart sensor, the algorithm looks for chronic high blood pressure by analyzing how your blood vessels respond to beats of the heart. We expect clearance from the FDA and other regulators soon, with availability in 150 countries and regions this month, including the US and Europe. Now we'll help you understand the quality of your sleep and how to make it more restorative with Sleep Score. Sleep Score analyzes these factors each night and provides a classification plus a score.
Series 11 now gets up to 24 hours of battery life. Series 11 comes in jet black, silver, rose gold, and a beautiful new space gray, all made from 100% recycled aluminum. There are also gorgeous polished cases made from 100% recycled titanium in natural, gold, and slate. And that's Apple Watch Series 11.
Apple Watch SE delivers the core features and benefits of Apple Watch at the most affordable price. This year, we are delighted to introduce Apple Watch SE3. First, it gets our most powerful Apple Watch chip, S10, which enables even more features. It brings an always-on display to SE for the first time. With S10, SE also supports gestures like double tap and wrist flick, so you can easily control your watch with just one hand. Heart rate notifications, fall detection, and crash detection. SE also gets sleep apnea notifications and sleep score. The power-efficient S10 chip enables SE to still get all-day 18-hour battery life. And for the first time, SE supports fast charging, making it easy to quickly top off the battery. It now charges up to 2 times faster than the previous model. In just 15 minutes of charging, it can add up to 8 hours of normal use. SE3 comes in the popular Starlight and Midnight, made with 100% recycled aluminum. That's Apple Watch SE3.
Apple Watch Ultra is the ultimate sports and adventure watch. This year, we're taking it further with Apple Watch Ultra 3. The display is now brighter when viewed at an angle, and thinner borders allowed us to grow the screen area without changing the case size. Largest display ever in an Apple Watch. It can also refresh more frequently in always-on mode without affecting battery life, which means you can now see ticking seconds in watch faces, including a new face, waypoint, and Ultra keeps you connected no matter where you are with 5G cellular. This year, we're also making a huge leap forward with satellite connectivity. Now, when you journey off the grid, you can stay safe and in touch with loved ones using satellite in available countries and regions. Emergency SOS via satellite is included with Ultra 3. Ultra 3 also includes a larger battery and now gets up to 42 hours of battery life. Ultra will be available in black and natural titanium. That's Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple Watch SE3 starts at just $249. Apple Watch Series 11 starts at $399. And Apple Watch Ultra 3 starts at $799. You can pre-order all the new models today, and they will be available starting September 19th.
Let's talk about iPhone.
iPhone 17 has a beautiful, more durable design and comes in 5 gorgeous colors. The new design has a larger 6.3-inch display with thinner borders, and the display of iPhone 17 features Pro Motion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, designed to dynamically respond to your content for a smooth and power-efficient experience. When you're not using your iPhone, the always-on display efficiently adjusts down to 1 Hz. This makes the display on iPhone 17 our best yet. iPhone 17 introduces Ceramic Shield 2. Now it has 3 times better scratch resistance. And the display quality gets better with a 7-layer anti-reflective coating that reduces glare and distractions. Powering iPhone 17 is the latest generation of Apple Silicon, A19. A19's advanced CPU, GPU, and updated neural engine also power Apple Intelligence. The efficiency of Apple Silicon contributes to all-day battery life on iPhone 17, to 8 more hours of video playback compared to iPhone 16. gets you up to 50% charge in 20 minutes.
Our Fusion technology combines the capabilities of 2 cameras in one. And now, iPhone 17 gets a new 48-megapixel Fusion ultra-wide camera. This new front camera has our widest field of view. It's enabled by our largest front camera sensor, almost twice the size of our previous front camera. The center stage camera's unique shape and larger size allow for high-resolution photos and videos in any orientation. Now you can tap to expand the field of view and rotate from portrait to landscape, giving you more flexible ways to frame your photos and videos.
And that completes the fantastic iPhone 17.
Introducing the newest member of the iPhone family.
This is iPhone Air.
At 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever made. And it's also exceptionally light. The gorgeous 6.5-inch display is our best, featuring ProMotion up to 120 Hz, always on, and 3,000 nits of peak brightness. And it's protected by the new Ceramic Shield too. We're also bringing Ceramic Shield to the back of iPhone for the very first time. That now houses major internal components at the top of iPhone. The frame of iPhone Air is made of titanium. This is an essential material choice for such a thin design and enables it to exceed our stringent bend strength requirements. More durable than any previous iPhone. Space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue.
iPhone Air demands the most efficient, high-performance chip we've ever built for iPhone. And that is A19 Pro. Introducing N1. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. The new C1X is up to 2 times faster when compared to C1.
What might appear to be a single camera is actually our new, powerful 48-megapixel Fusion camera system. On the front, we have our new and innovative center stage camera. You don't need to rotate your phone anymore to take a landscape selfie. We designed iPhone Air to be eSIM only worldwide, maximizing internal space for battery size. Still gets amazing all-day battery life. Our thinnest iPhone ever with Pro performance inside.
Introducing iPhone 17 Pro.
The new definition of Pro. iPhone 17 Pro.
The iPhone 17 Pro design is more than just a fresh, bold new look. That makes this the most powerful iPhone ever, by far. At the heart of the new thermal management system is an Apple-designed vapor chamber. This efficiently moves heat away from the components, allowing for higher sustained performance, where it is efficiently dissipated and released by the forged aluminum unibody. And the aluminum is anodized in 3 stunning finishes: a refined silver, an elegant deep blue, and the bold and eye-catching cosmic orange. So every aspect of this design is engineered to maximize performance and unlock the full potential of the extraordinary A19 Pro. It also features a larger cache than A18 Pro and even more memory. The glass in the back is even better protected by the aluminum unibody design. In fact, it's no longer glass at all. Like iPhone Air, we're now using Ceramic Shield for the back. On the front, the gorgeous display is protected by the incredible new Ceramic Shield 2. For our eSIM-only models, we took advantage of the space formerly occupied by the physical SIM to grow the battery even more.
On the rear, all 3 cameras are 48 megapixels for the very first time. The extended plateau on iPhone 17 Pro is also designed to house an all-new 48 megapixel Fusion telephoto camera. iPhone 17 Pro has our next generation tetraprism telephoto, 56% larger than the previous generation.
Amazing Pro features like Dolby Vision HDR, 4K 120, ProRes Log, and support for ACES. We're adding support for ProRes RAW capture. We're also adding support for Genlock, which enables super precise video synchronization. We're introducing our tech-woven case, while protective coating provides a resistance to scratches and stains. The beautiful and functional crossbody strap that you saw with iPhone Air is designed to pair with tech-woven cases for iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. This is a huge upgrade, featuring a stunning design and powered by A19 Pro for our best performance ever. It also delivers an enormous leap in battery life. All 48 megapixel fusion cameras on the back and 8x zoom, along with our innovative center stage camera on the front. Plus, it supports the latest features in iOS 26, Apple Intelligence, and so much more. This is, without question, our best iPhone lineup ever. All of the new models will start with 256 gigabytes of storage, giving you more room for your photos, videos, apps, and memories. iPhone 17 starts at $799, keeping the same great price. iPhone Air starts at $999. And iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1099, the same great price as last year's 256 gigabyte iPhone 16 Pro. And for the first time, a 2 terabyte configuration is available on iPhone 17 Pro Max. We also have amazing offers from Apple and our partners. You can get up to $1,100 off when you trade in an iPhone 13 Pro or newer in any condition. And the iPhone lineup starts at just $599 with iPhone 16e. Pre-orders for all new models start this Friday, and they will be available starting September 19th.
These iPhone 17 Pro models are the most advanced Pro models we've ever created. And this new iPhone lineup represents the biggest leap ever for iPhone. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day.